Hi Madhu, how are you?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
Yeah, all good. So now our viewers want to know what are the experiences that you faced in Northeast while you are traveling with 5X journey?
If I'm talking about Northeast is basically heaven in India. So it's that Northeast part. If you talk about, start with Darjeeling was there. You can enjoy the toy train over there. You can enjoy the Kanchenjunga, the hill beauty, the mountain beauty, and you can enjoy the Tenzing Norgay Museum, and along with the Himalaya Mountaineering Institute over there. And you can go for trekking also there.
Okay.
We are having a Sandakphu Falud. If people are love about the trekking part, they can enjoy the beauty of the mountains in Sandakphu and Falud. And if I'm coming down in the Guwahati part,
Yeah.
that is also part in beautiful part in Guwahati. People also know about that.
Yeah.
So it starts with Guwahati, and there is a Brahmaputra Nadi is there. It's not Nadi, it's a male Nadi. So we can enjoy that Kamaksha Devi temple, the most powerful Kali Mandir.
Yeah.
So in Ambabachi, every that spiritual places people should visit there, and they can pray for their goodness. And after that, you can enjoy the local sightseeing, the local clothes over there, the Mekhla sari. People love it a lot. If I talk about the shopping part for customers, and after that you can go for Shillong. You can find again the beauty of the mountains, and you can visit the Kaziranga, the forest. You can visit it over there. You can do the safari.
Yeah.
You can the most of the resort in inside the jungle only. So you can visit it there. You can find a very beautiful ambience, especially in the night. The beauty of the forest. If you go there in Cherrapunji, everyone know about that. Cherrapunji is a 12 months rainy season over
Yes,
there.
yes.
So there is a seven sister over there. You can find the seven sister beauty in the Cherrapunji. You can find the bamboo bridge trekking. You can find the Dauki river, the crystal clear river over there. You can you can ride over there.
Okay.
One side is India, other side is Bangladesh.
Okay.
So that is a very beautiful places over there.